Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to wear a famous Nepali Dhaka Topi. It is seen that many Dhaka Topis are sold but only some are seen wearing them in public. So today I will teach you the steps to wear Dhaka Topi in just 1 minute. Most people are seen wearing Dhaka Topi in this way. We can imagine these two peaks as symbols of mountains in Nepal. Wear at medium height, keep the two peaks above and slightly tilt towards the left. The next style is how Nepali kings used to wear them. This lower part is called ghera and the top part is called chakki. Now keep the chakki at the same height and fold like this. Again, while wearing it, make sure you slightly touch the left eyebrow. Keep the joining part on the right side and the Dhaka topi should slightly lean towards the left side. Now the next style is how army and police prefer wearing it. In this technique, keep the joining part taller, which means the other two corners should be lower in height and middle part should be taller. Now finally, you should keep some things in mind while wearing a Dhaka topi. First thing is the height of the peak, either the same size or peaks in the corners or peak in the middle. Second thing is the joining part, which side should it be, left or right. And third thing is how you should fold the Dhaka topi, at short height, medium or tall. And finally the fourth point is while wearing the Dhaka topi, either you should cover your forehead completely or partly or tilt it slightly left. I hope now you are ready to wear a Dhaka topi properly. Thank you for watching and please keep supporting for more videos.